So today we're going to look at a new tube light from Nanlite. This is the T8-7X. This comes in at under $150 Canadian, making it by far the most affordable tube light from Nanlite to date. Now I gotta admit, when I first picked up this light, I was a little bit underwhelmed. But because it's such a good price, it might actually be something worth considering. It's got 3 buttons on it: a power on and off switch, a dim mode, and a color temperature and hue shift. The battery, it's rated to last at about 56 minutes, which is, maybe a little less than I would have wanted. In my experience, it was closer to 53 minutes. I had it running at full power. I think after about 53 minutes, it just powered right off. Nanlite states that this light is for the consumer/prosumer market. You're probably not going to see a ton of these in the professional world, although that might change because there is an accessory coming out, which is actually DMX to USB-C. So pretty soon this light is going to be DMX compatible. When I first started using it, yes, I was underwhelmed. But once I connected this to my phone, I really started to appreciate the versatility of this light and how much is actually packed beneath the surface. It's got the same app and user experience from the previous PavoTubes, the same 15 built-in practical effects and pixel effect modes. I think the content creator and YouTuber and even music video shooter, I could see this light being a pretty attractive little option. Yeah, and also the fact that this has a handle built in, it kind of makes this a great choice for photographers who want to do light painting. So just know what you're getting when you buy this light. Don't expect this to replace your current tube lights, but I do think this could be a welcome addition to complement those lights. Thanks so much for watching this video. I would love to hear about your experience using this light, and I'd love to hear of other applications that you think this light might be great for. There's a lot. This light is very versatile. If you have any questions about this product or other Nanlite products, feel free to leave a comment and I will get back to you as quick as I can. We'll see you in the next video.